Motor circuit analysis is a de-energized, non-destructive testing method to assess the complete electrical health of a motor. It can be initiated from the motor starter or motor drive, or directly at the motor. AllTest Pro offers accurate, safe, and fast motor testing. Our instruments go above and beyond the capabilities of our competitors. Traditional megometer testing will only detect faults to ground. However, not all motor electrical stator winding failures begin as ground faults. Failures can also start between turns in the same coil, between coils in the same phase, and phase to phase. Traditional multimeter testing is unable to detect small resistance unbalances, and phase resistance will not reliably provide early detection of stator coil and phase faults. The megometer and digital multimeter are not motor testing tools. They leave the technician blind as to the complete electrical health of the motor. Motor circuit analysis using AllTest Pro instruments provides a complete view of the motor in just minutes. Our instruments, the AT5 and the AT33, use patented diagnostic technology to detect motor faults before they fail. Many electrical motor faults start at the end turns of stator windings. They start small and get worse, and always end in failure. Time to failure depends upon contributing factors such as overloading, frequent start-stop cycling, vibration, contamination, age, heat, and motor drives. If the only motor test you perform is with a megometer or digital multimeter, you will miss detecting crucial stator and rotor faults. The Motor Genie is an excellent troubleshooting tool for testing low-voltage AC induction motors. It can detect connection faults and stator coil faults, as well as faults to ground. The AT33 is perfect for motor troubleshooting, inspecting new or repaired motors before installation, and predictive maintenance. You will get a complete picture of the condition of your low-voltage AC induction motors, including the motor connections, stator, rotor, and insulation to ground, in a single 2-minute test. The AT33 provides step-by-step instructions on the instrument screen to simplify your user experience. The AT5 tests all types of motors of any voltage, including induction, synchronous, AC, and DC, plus transformers, generators, and more. The AT5 provides step-by-step instructions on the instrument's easy-to-read screen to simplify your user experience. The AT5's automatic diagnosis provides an immediate health status reporting using an OK if good and a warn or bad if a problem is detected. The instrument's on-screen test reports show the condition of the connections, stator, rotor, contamination, and insulation to ground. You can also access specific motor trending data at the touch of a button. We are the only manufacturer of handheld, battery-operated motor testing instruments that provides a total view into the condition of the motor. Our motor testing instruments enable technicians to efficiently and accurately evaluate equipment anytime and anywhere. Arm your technicians with handheld instruments that provide safer and more complete motor testing than any other option on the market. We offer unmatched portability, ease of use, and safety features. Evaluate equipment in the field, on the shop floor, or at a service facility. Motor testing is integral to the success and efficiency of your business. Electrical motor testing drives return on investment through improved reliability, productivity, and energy savings. AllTest Pro delivers on the promise of true motor maintenance and troubleshooting, with innovative diagnostic tools, software, and support that enable you to keep your business running. Your maintenance technicians are a valuable asset to your company. The megometer and digital multimeter are not motor testing tools. These tools leave your technicians blind regarding the condition of the electric motor. Equip your technicians with the correct tools to perform their job in an efficient, accurate way. Proper tools help you improve machine reliability, increase technician productivity, and reduce energy consumption in your facility. Don't leave motor failure up to chance. Contact AllTest Pro today to learn more about the benefits of complete motor testing.